Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to use of the bullet in health app, that is 2025 method. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use the bullet in health app on your iPhone. Solution number 1, open the health app. Find the health app on your iPhone's home screen. It's a white app with a red heart icon and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is set up your profile. Tap on summary and then profile to set up your profile. Enter your name, birth date and other basic information and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is track your activity. The health app can track your daily activity, including steps taken, distance traveled, and you can also connect your Apple Watch or other fitness trackers to track your activity and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is update iOS version. Go to setting app, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and starting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is customize your dashboard. Customize your health app dashboard to show the date that's most important to you and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact peaceful.apple.com and fix your problem. How to use of the bullet in health app on your iPhone, that is 2025 method is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.